Hi kids, how are you? Today we are going to learn alphabets, small alphabets. Okay, these are all the color bottles. Yellow color, green color, black color, cream color, thick blue color, red color, sky blue color, brown color, orange color. Okay, let's draw the alphabets. Orange color, A for apple. Brown color, B for ball. B for ball. Orange color, C for cat. C for cat. Light green color, D for dog. D for dog. Sky blue color, E for elephant. E for elephant. Black color, F for fish. Yellow color, G for goat. Thick blue color, H for hat. Red color, I for ink. Orange color, J for jar. Brown color, K for kite. Yellow color, L for lion. Cream color, M for monkey. Black color, N for nest. Brown color, O for ox. Black color, P for pen. Orange color, Q for queen. Light green color, R for rose. Black color, S for sun. Orange color, T for 10. Brown color, U for umbrella. Yellow color, V for van. Black color, W. W for warm. Yellow color, X. X for Xerox. Orange color, Y. Y for yellow. Sky blue color, Z. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Okay, bye kids.